Khubor ka Batisi TV, lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
MLA jong kaseng National People's Party James PK Sangma ula kentaj war ye ka Kynnoh jong President ng Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vicent Pala bakadon ka Jingïapait hapo ka Kynnoh jong ka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kababat ye ula kam sensyar hapo ka ni jilla Meghalaya. Habaya keren bat kilat patai khubor James Sangma ulaong baka Kynnoh jong ba pala kadai ka bamdan nongrim satya namar baka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kadai ka Kynnoh ka baya senrop lang da baro ki sengsan perthai bantau ya ka sarkar hapo ka ni ka jilla ha ka baki ne ki sengsan perthai ki don la ki jong ki thong trekam bat ki rukam perkhat ki baya pher ka wai na ka waipat ka party. Hagajo ko por ulakan tho ting eru bagi pajba jong ki laidli ki constituencies ki ban select shaki election shiteng samoi ka ban salong hakalai photri ko bunai risau arajar arpuai ki tibha baka congress kadai ka party ka bala paj lapra amtang hapo kani ka jilla hanrei wat hado ka national level ru.
So I don't know whose version this is about NPP is a failure, but I beg to differ. I think that as a government we have performed very well. There are a lot of expectations from this government. It is understandable, but then to call it a failure is, I think, very unfair. There are, as I said, many things that the NPP government has able to deliver, and I am very sure the public has seen that, and we are hopeful that they will repose their faith in the party, for that matter. So to answer your question, that that as a government, a lot of things have been done, a lot of new schemes have been implemented, old ones which have been lying pending for many reasons, they have been brought out, and the work has been expedited, and today we see that they are all nearing completion. So, so that way, I don't think that that the NPP is a failure. There's a big difference in what Mr. Pala is saying. We are speaking about division in the party, whereas he's speaking about division in a coalition. I mean, see, coalition is a coalition. It is coming together of different political parties that have different ideologies, different thinking, different thought, I mean, and you can't really have that kind of absolute unity. So when Mr. Pala says there's division in the MDA, I don't think that is the right comparison. We are speaking about a political party in the sense that Congress is a divided house. And he's not saying NPP is a divided house. He's saying the MDA coalition is a divided house. So there's a huge difference in that. The by-elections, it's an election after all. So there's nothing that is an absolute certainty that the results will go this way or that way. But we are very hopeful that the NPP will be able to win all 3 seats, and the campaigning is going on as we speak, and it will reach a fever pitch as we come closer to the polling day, and we are very hopeful that we will, as a party, NPP, win all 3 seats. Sympathy is always a factor. Human beings by nature are driven by emotion, so we cannot discount that. There's no denying the fact that sympathy can always be a factor in elections. But we appeal to the the practical side of our voters in Rajapala, that they will see that that going for the Congress party, which, as we all know, is right now a very divided party, a party that is being rejected all across the country, a party which today, in terms of its leadership, a lot of uncertainty about who their next leader is going to be in the country, the national leader. So the practical side of things is that there is no point in going for a party like that. And I'm very sure today's voters are very, very aware of such kind of situations, and they will exercise their mind before casting their vote.